Ever wondered how to create a basic generative adversarial network using Python and PyTorch? Well, wonder no more. Today, unravel the mystery behind these intriguing networks and learn how to build one from scratch. Start by installing Python. This high-level, interpreted programming language is a key tool in the belt of any budding or experienced coder. With a focus on readability and simplicity, it's the perfect foundation for our generative adversarial network. Once Python is installed and running smoothly, move on to configuring PyTorch. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning library based on the Torch library. It's used for applications such as computer vision and natural language processing. Be sure to select the correct version that's compatible with your Python installation. With Python installed and PyTorch configured, kick things off by importing the necessary PyTorch modules. These modules provide the building blocks needed to create your network. Think of them as the bricks and mortar of your generative adversarial network. Next, define the generator and discriminator classes. These are the two main components of a generative adversarial network. The generator creates new fake data to pass to the discriminator. The discriminator then tries to determine if this data is real or fake. It's a complex dance of deception and detection. Once the generator and discriminator are defined, employ loss and optimizers techniques to train the model. Loss functions measure the inconsistency between predicted and actual outcomes, informing the model how well or poorly it's doing. Optimizers, on the other hand, adjust model parameters to minimize this loss. It's a process of trial and error, of learning and adapting. Finally, test the model. See how well the generator can trick the discriminator and how good the discriminator is at sniffing out the fakes. It's a test of the model's ability to learn, adapt, and perform. So, to summarize, creating a basic generative adversarial network with Python and PyTorch involves installing Python, configuring PyTorch, importing PyTorch modules, defining the generator and discriminator classes, using loss and optimizers to train the model, and finally testing the model. Remember, practice makes perfect. Building a generative adversarial network is no small task, but with persistence and patience, it's a task that's very much achievable. So go forth and code. Your generative adversarial network awaits.